I loved going museums because it's a time travel. So when you walk in, there is histories, inspirations, imaginations, everything is in one place. I can say the Fitzwilliam Museum, both intimate and powerful. I love that. Hi, my name is Frida Kim, London-based florist and artist, originally from South Korea. If you close eyes, when you come in, go meet someone, the scent you remember forever. So it's very important, the scent. And then when you see this one, I can feel the airs and feelings and smells, right? Smells must be exquisite. To be honest, as a florist, when I see any botanical point, I can't ignore, always going there to have a look, what kind of flowers. I'm drawn to get inspiration from, I guess, everything, like nature, art, music, traveling, architecture, and especially museum is one of the important place. So many of them, but that one, when I walked close here, that was the one. I have selected John Everett Millais' painting. This small painting caught me so strongly. This has hidden messages. The portrait, when you see it, you can see perfect wife. But very curious what kind of flower she's wearing. The flower caught me probably much more strongly. So Victorian era had a secret code of flowers, floriography. Every single box has a different flowers and different meaning I selected. It's a kind of a collaboration with my Korean background. So we called this one, I can say we have a word ham. Ham is just a box, containers, vessels. But beyond the box, it carries so much, the love, emptiness, memory, so many good meaning is carried in the box. Because the social rules were very strict, people used flowers to send messages or express feelings that were too scandalous or improper to say loudly. That is my inspiration. So I wanted to celebrate old Victorian period flower meaning to new way present containers. A little bit more modern approach. When I start to select the flowers, how should I start? Start the happiness to how love grows and the end, or it was a lot of a journey. I believe that lilac is the perfect flowers for present the artist's work. Seasonal, most beautiful, and the meaning is the first love. So it makes me think, what was my first love? Parent or friend, my husband, that caused me to want to do something with the lilacs. It's kind of domestic too. So I want to present how domestic flower should be. One big installation. It looks like a big, just a vase arrangement. Very casual, but it represents about the first love. I always pay attention to small gestures, small flowers, because I believe small gestures change the world. Art is everything. We can't live without art. So art is saving us to living this life. That's why museum is very important. And this small piece, we can stand the whole day. What she's thinking.